everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros CVP PSR-SX900 and Workstation Arranger Song of the Week and Buttons class. This week is a great song, The Lady is a Tramp. It has some great settings on it, and we're going to learn a little bit about your Genos or your CVP or your SX900. Now you can see I have my 900 here set up now, so all of my banks and user styles are now set up in the 900, and I have those USBs ready to go. The big difference is going to be, of course, there's going to be more banks on the 900 because there's only 8 registration memories on each bank versus 10 on the Genos. So let's take a look real quick at the music for The Lady is a Tramp. Remember, you can also purchase single songs at a time now, or my book bundles, and you get my custom music with the Play Like a Pro chord system on there with the right inversions. You get the Midi file, and you get the user style sent right there to you to load into your Genos or your SX900. Okay, so on the Genos, we're on bank 12, registration 7, and this is going out to all 3 bundles, bundle 1, 2, and 3. On the SX900, we're in bank 15, and this is song registration number 5. Now, we're using intro 2, variation A first, variation C second time through. On the Genos, it's big band count, tempo 125. Same on the SX900 because I'm loading that for you. I'll be sending out the Midi file, the user style for The Lady is a Tramp, and the music. On the Tyros, it's big band, Mid 1, tempo 125. Now, a good reason to get our book bundles is because I love teaching you how to play chords properly. And I'm going to show you something where the inversions really make a big difference. And that's also true for the intros and endings. Depending upon the chords you're playing, you don't just have a couple intros and endings there. Okay, so I'm going to push registration 7, and The Lady is a Tramp comes up, and on OTS 1 we have the CFX Concert Grand. Now, of course, I've added a little reverb to that, so that sound is in my user sounds already, so I can get to them quick. On OTS 2 we have trombone, mute swing horns, and orchestra trombones. The volume is 127, 180. On the first one, which was the CFX, it's at 127. On number 3, we have the CFX Concert Grand again, and that's at 127. And on OTS 4, we have tenor sax, sax section, and pop horns, and that's all at 100. Okay, so as I told you, chord inversions matter, and I'm going to do a little quick demo here. I'm going to go on intro 2 and hit my C major 7 chord here. Now, let's hit A minor 7. So that's like perfect for hit the road jack. So when you're playing one chord, 2, now look at what I just did, guys. This is pretty interesting, okay? So, excuse me, on intro 2, if I hit the C major 7, play around with that a little bit and have a little bit of fun. There's so much to explore in the Genos and the Workstation Arranger keyboards. It's really a lot of fun. Now, what I did on this particular one is my second pedal, my small little pedal, which I usually have set on vocal harmony off and on for me because I sing a lot. On this particular registration bank, I have it on rhythm fill because I want to do a rhythm fill during this song, and I'm using both hands while I'm doing that. So you can individualize your pedals and everything for each registration memory and for each song, and that's pretty incredible too. Now the next thing I'm going to show you, we're going back to this intro 2 again for a minute, going into the mixer, and we'll go into style 1 here, and that's where that piano is on phrase 1 that you're hearing in here. So what I'm going to do this time is change that piano. I'm going to go to my organ, and I'm going to go into my user sounds because I have my great Hold It Fast organ that I use so much in here. Now listen to that intro. So much that you can do. Okay, so remember, I'm going to be playing a lot of extra grace notes that aren't on the music, but they'll be on your score on the MIDI file that I send to you. So if you want to do it the hard way, we're going to do it. Okay, so here we go with the finished product now for The Lady is a Tramp. lady is a tramp. Okay, just so you can see a little bit on the SX900 here, we'll do a little bit of the same song with the OTSs on. And I put a little applause on there, which is kind of cool, and actually doing that on the Genos as well in the user style setting. You can hear it. So anyway, there you go, a little taste of the SX900. Okay, now remember, if you really want to learn how to play well, you need to learn how to play chords right. And that's what makes my book bundle so great, is me putting all the music on there, and you hold the red notes down, go into the next chord. You can see how easy I made that look when I did it. And you can either buy book bundles, or of course now you know you can buy one song at a time on our video lessons page. So even if you buy the song, you're still going to get the Midi file, the custom music, everything for just the price of the sheet music. Also, we have Genoses getting ready to come in, and the same thing with SX900s. So if you guys are looking to make a buy, you can either look at my bundles on both models on there, but however, you can have any custom bundle you want for the PSR-SX900. So there's just so many items there, you can just pick the bundle that you want. And remember, you get my book bundles as well, all three of them. So it makes it great, and you'll be able to really learn how to play. And remember, these chord inversions that I put on there are the right inversions. It's going to teach you how to play chords, because once you can play chords without thinking about it too much, you're just going to have a blast with your right hand. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and see you real soon.